Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you fix could not create Apple ID. This iPhone has been used to create too many new Apple IDs. So guys, when you have create new Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad and facing this type of issue again and again, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you have to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone or iPad, and after this you need to scroll it below. And you will see here at the option of screen time, you have to click on this and click on content and privacy restrictions. So guys, you have to turn off all the restrictions on your iPhone, and now you have to go back. From here you have to click on general and you need to click on VPN and device management. So guys, if you have connected any kind of VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN. After doing this, you need to go back. So guys, after this, you have to create your new Apple ID and check that your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your App Store here. And guys, you have to click on your Apple ID name. And guys, simply you have to sign out your old Apple ID if you have login, and after this you need to create new Apple ID from App Store, and after this your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, then guys you need to apply the second method. The second is you have to open your settings here, scroll it below, and from here you will see the option of mails. So guys, simply you have to open this mail tab and click on accounts, and you will see the option of add account, and now you have to click on iCloud. So guys, simply you have to create a new Apple ID. From here you have to click on create a new Apple ID, and after this you will be able to create new Apple ID without any interruption. So guys, after doing all these settings, if still not fix your problem and still not creating new Apple ID, then guys you have to contact with Apple support team and you have to tell them your problem, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.